Guys, right now, there is something major happening behind the scenes. This is something that is right in front of our eyes, but unless you connect the dots, you will not be able to see the complete picture here. So, guys, today I'm going to talk about this. This is going to be an important video, guys. You will want this information if you are invested in crypto at all. So, welcome back everybody, my name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And guys, today we do have a super interesting video because there's something happening behind the scenes that I am going to connect the dots for you with. Okay, so first things first, for Bitcoin right now, you can see that we are still struggling with the orange box here. In fact, you can see that we've been trying to break through the edge of this orange box several times here, and we've been rejected right on the absolute dollar of this orange box. So this is why you need to pay attention to this, guys. Look, this candle right here, right on the dollar, right here. This one, this one, this one. We did slightly go below this on the 4-hourly time frame. On the daily time frame, though, we're still not broken below this level. So pay attention to this orange box. This is extremely important, as you already can tell here. And guess what? I'm going to talk a little bit about what's been happening here above at the orange box at $22,500 level as well. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves. I want to talk about the FOMC meeting, guys. So this is happening in 4 days. You know this is going to have a massive impact on the crypto markets and traditional markets. Right now, 18% are pricing in a 1% rate hike. So it's been down a little bit since yesterday. So 82% are pricing in a rate hike of 0.75%. Okay, so that is the situation right now. For the traditional markets, you can see that we found massive support of my orange line here as well. This is a massive green candle. So why are we seeing this massive green candle? Because I think that people are still very, very bearish right now, and people are still expecting Bitcoin and traditional markets to take a massive dive on the day of the meeting here. So what is the smart money doing? So this is where we need to pay attention, because the fund managers, they're actually moving into long positions here. The speculators, the retail investors, the people who want to take advantage of the short-term movements, they are still, not short for the foreseeable future. But the fund managers, the smart money, they are now starting to go long here, which is super interesting. And of course, when I saw this, I started to think about our favorite Bitcoin whale. So let's look at what the Bitcoin whale has been doing. Well, for one, you can see that on the 12th of September, he took profit on 1,000 Bitcoin. Now, the 12th of September was exactly where we went into my orange box here. So yeah, the most wealthy Bitcoin investor we know of, basically, continues to respect these levels, taking profit at the orange boxes here, and tends to buy massive support at the orange boxes once we hit them to the downside. Now, is this a coincidence? It probably is. I don't think that one of the wealthiest individuals in the world is watching my videos, but at the very least, maybe we think, alike. Maybe he is identifying these resistance levels and these support levels as well. So what has the massive Bitcoin whale been doing here recently? Well, just a couple of hours ago, or yesterday, he added 1,199 Bitcoin right inside of the orange box right here. So that is interesting. The most wealthy Bitcoin investor here added here on the orange box, while people were selling and taking, massive short positions here. The most wealthy Bitcoin investor is adding to his position. And also in traditional markets, the fund managers are adding to their position. Now, are they right? Are we going to see a pump? Is that what they are thinking? That people are overreacting to the FOMC meeting here, and that we are going to have a pump and they're trying to take advantage of that? Maybe that is the case. We do not know. But I do think it's super interesting to keep track of. As for me, I am thinking about entering some positions as well, and I am going to, as you know, launch my trading competition over on OKX. So if you want to claim a $10,000 bonus here on OKX and participate in the trading competition, which will have insane prices, make sure to sign up for OKX as soon as possible. The Bitcoin dominance is right now continuing to strengthen. So this is something we've been talking about, of course, as well, how this orange line, we tend to see a massive bounce in the Bitcoin dominance here. So I think for the near future, Bitcoin is going to outperform the altcoins. So this is also the case for Ethereum. I think that Bitcoin for the near future at least is going to outperform Ethereum. You can see also that the Ethereum proof of work chain has gone down drastically here. So yes, be careful with this. Since the merge and since the launch, this has been taken a massive beating, and I don't think that over time this is going to be something viable. The main Ethereum chain is the way to go, guys. Of course, we are able to make some trades here and take advantage of some volatility, but I would be careful right now as this is still very volatile, the proof of work chain here. Also, what I want to remind you of is that Ledger has a 20% discount on the Ledger Nano X and Billfold, which basically allows you to stance in your secret recovery phrase here. So yeah, this is definitely a nice little kit. If you want to take advantage of that offer, make sure to do it as soon as possible. You get the best offer by using the link down in my description here. So make sure to get yourself a Ledger. It is the most important thing. If you have any significant amount of crypto, you will want to get a Ledger as soon as possible. Take your security seriously, guys. Do not lose your hard-earned crypto you've been accumulating. And guys, that's what I got for you. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one.